In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to read the most important numbers on your dashboard, review incoming and outgoing money, and find the key settings and integrations that keep your books accurate and connected. Keep your Zoho Books account open so you can follow along in real time. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your financial snapshot, a single place to see what you're owed, what you owe, and how cash is moving. If your account has multiple organizations, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed so the data reflects the business you intend to manage. Click on Total Receivables. This area shows the money customers owe you from invoices that are sent but not yet paid. Use this view to understand who owes what, how long invoices have been outstanding, and what might need your attention today. You can typically sort or filter to focus on overdue invoices, which helps you prioritize follow-ups and keep your cash coming in on time. Next, click on Total Payables. Think of this as the flip side, the bills and expenses your business owes to vendors and suppliers. Reviewing payables alongside due dates helps you schedule payments, avoid late fees, and manage your working capital smartly. A quick scan here each week can prevent surprises and keep your vendor relationships healthy. Now navigate to Cash Flow on the dashboard. This section charts money in and money out over a selected time period, giving you a clear view of net inflows or outflows. It helps you spot patterns, like seasonal dips or spikes, and see whether receivables are converting into cash quickly enough to cover upcoming payables. If you notice a gap on the timeline, consider timing collections and payments to smooth out short-term crunches. Open the Settings menu, usually accessed by the gear icon in the corner. Settings is where you define how Zoho Books behaves for your organization. Even if you don't change anything today, it's important to know where these options live because choices made here shape your invoices, taxes, currencies, and automation rules across the system. Navigate to Organization Settings. Here you control the essentials: your business profile, logo, address, fiscal year, time zone, base currency, and tax details. These items flow through to your documents and reports, so accuracy matters. If you update information, review it carefully before saving. Changes can affect invoice headers, tax calculations, and how your reports roll up across periods. Go to the Extension and Developer Data section. This is the home for add-ons and technical tools that expand Zoho Books. Extensions can add features without custom coding, while the developer area is where technical users manage advanced connections and data flows. If you're not the admin, it's a good idea to coordinate with the person who oversees your accounting or systems before enabling anything here. Click on Zoho Apps. This brings up the library of native integrations across the Zoho ecosystem. You'll see options that connect finance with sales, inventory, analytics, projects, and more, so information moves between teams without duplicate data entry. Each app typically lists what data syncs, the direction of the sync, and the key benefits to expect. Finally, navigate around the Zoho Apps page to explore what's available. Look for the apps that match your current workflow. For example, connecting to a sales tool if you're invoicing from deals, or linking to an analytics tool if you need deeper financial dashboards. Before enabling anything, review the integration details, make sure the scopes match your access policies, and confirm that the connection aligns with how your team already works. That's the core tour. You've learned how to use the dashboard to monitor receivables, payables, and cash flow, and you've seen where to fine-tune organization settings and explore integrations. With these basics in place, you'll navigate Zoho Books more confidently and keep your finances organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.